Okay, so hello everyone. I have here a new reviewer, but this time it's for merchandising operations, more on journal entries. So this is 10 questions, but I want you to have your own calculator and a piece of paper with you para ma-assess ninyo ano ba ang tamang journal entries to get the right answer. So let's begin with question number 1, and the question is, goods totaling 50,000 pesos were purchased February 2 with terms of 2 over 10 and over 30. Returns of 10,000 were made on February 10. What discounts, if any, can be availed of if the invoice price was paid on February 12? Okay, ang tinatanong dito, magkano yung discount? Kung applicable, kung nakapag-avail man yon, noong February 12. Notice na binili ang goods noong February 2 for 50,000 pesos. Pero noong February 10, may ibinalik na 10,000. So that 50,000 minus 10,000, you have 40,000 na invoice price. Yun yung magiging basis ng discount kapag sinettle na kung ito ay nabayaran within the discount period. Meron kang 10 days na discount period. So from February 2, magtatapos yon hanggang February 12. Hindi counted yung February 2, mag-uumpisa tayo ng counting February 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So pasok, last day si February 12. Now, if we will compute for the discount, eto yung ating discount, 2%. I-multiply natin yung 40,000 with your 2%, ang makukuha ninyong sagot ay 800 pesos. Okay? So, the answer is 800 pesos. Next tayo for question number 2. Now, dito sa question number 2, the entry to record the return of goods from a customer would include return of goods from a customer. Sino ka dyan? Ikaw ba si buyer or ikaw si seller? Galing ito sa customer, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung nagbebenta, so ikaw si seller. Ang tawag natin doon ay sales returns. Now, ano ba ang sales returns? Ang sales returns ay contra sales. Kung ang normal balance ng sales ay credit, ang mga contra sales ay debit. So, titignan natin dito, ang first choice mo, credit to sales returns and allowances. Magiging mali yan kasi dapat debit. Ang sumunod ay debit to sales returns and allowances. So, malamang ito yung sagot mo. Pero check lang natin yung dalawa. Credit to sales and debit to sales. Ano ba ang journal entry mo pag may sales returns? Debit, sales returns and allowances, and credit, accounts receivable. Kasi mababawasan ito ang iyong receivable balance. So, hindi ito credit sa sales. So, ang tamang sagot ay itong pangalawa. Next tayo for question number 3. Ang tanong is, the collection of a 4,000 account within the 2% discount period would result in debit to accounts receivable for 3,920, debit to sales discounts for 80, credit to cash for 3,920, or credit to accounts receivable for 3,920. Ang tanong is, yung collection ng 4,000 na account mo, yung accounts receivable within the 2% discount period. Okay, so ang tinatanong dito, alin dyan yung kasama sa journal entry? Pag meron kang na-collecta na accounts receivable, i-credit natin yung accounts receivable for the full amount, 4,000. Meron ba ditong accounts receivable na credit for 4,000? Wala. For the amount pa lang, wala na. Ito, mali na ito na credit to accounts receivable. How much more itong debit to accounts receivable for 3,920. Ang matitira na lang sa'yo ay etong dalawa. Now, nakapag-avail ng 2% kasi binayaran within the discount period, i-compute lang natin yung discount, no? 4,000 times 2%, the answer is 80. O kontra yan, ano? Kontra sales. Debit dapat yan sa sales discount mo for 80 pesos. Tignan natin. Ayan. So, meron ka ditong debit to sales discount for 80 pesos. Now, etong huling pagpipilian, credit to cash for 3,920. Mali yan kasi dapat debit ang sagot dyan. So, ito yung ating answer for question number 3. Now, proceed tayo sa question number 4. Goods amounting to 20,000 were purchased. Binili, ano? On terms 2/10 and over 30. Subsequently, ibig sabihin, subsequently, yung sumunod, goods costing 1,200 were returned before payment was made within the discount period. The entry to record payment will include credit accounts payable for 18,800, debit accounts payable for 19,600, credit inventory for 400, or credit cash for 18,424. Ano ka dito? Buyer or seller? Ang mga key terms mo dyan is purchased, tapos before payment was made. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung bumili. So, ikaw si buyer. So, ito ay purchases mo or your merchandise inventory. Siyempre, depende yan sa inventory system na ginagamit. Pero dito, malaman natin. Ano ang journal entry natin dyan? Kapag bumili ka, dapat meron kang debit ng purchases or debit inventory for 20,000 credit accounts payable. Tapos, merong bumalik. So, ito dapat purchase returns. Okay? Kasi ikaw si buyer. So, pag meron kang purchase returns, debit ka ng accounts payable and credit ka ng purchase return. O kaya naman, kung perpetual inventory system yan, credit ka sa inventory. Okay? Ang question is the entry to record payment. So, binayaran mo na. Compute natin. Meron kang 20,000 initially, binawasan ng 1,200 because of the purchase returns, ang matitira sa iyo ay 18,800. Eto dapat ang i-debit mo. Kasi accounts payable mo, ang balanse na lang niya ay 18,800. Dito mayroon tayong makikita na 18,800 pero credit to accounts payable. Isi-settle na natin siya so dapat mawawala na yung balanse. Eto madudoble kasi nag-credit ka. So hindi na ito yung pagpipilian. Now, kung magde-debit tayo ng accounts payable na 18,800, syempre kailangan nating i-avail yung 2% kasi binayaran within the discount period. So, kunin natin yung 2% niya, you have 376 pesos na purchase discount. I-credit dapat natin ito. Ibawas natin yun sa 18,800, ang kakalabasan, ang babayaran mo ay 18,424. That is your cash payment and the answer for that is this one. Credit cash, 18,424. Mali itong debit accounts payable for 19,600 kasi dapat 18,800 yan. Credit inventory, dapat 376 yan, assuming perpetual inventory system tayo. So, eto nga ang sagot mo. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa question number 5. Now, dito sa question number 5, ang tanong ay, under a periodic inventory system, periodic inventory system ito, the entry to record a purchase of 60,000 with terms of 2/10 and over 30 would include a what? Credit to accounts payable for 60,000, debit to purchase discounts for 1,200, credit to purchases for 60,000, or debit to accounts payable for 58,800. Ang question is, entry to record a purchase of 60,000. Nung bumili tayo, periodic inventory system, so debit ka purchases 60,000 and credit ka ng accounts payable for 60,000. Alin yun dito? Pag chinek natin yung unang option, credit to accounts payable, 60,000. O, tama yon. Double check lang natin yung tatlo pa. Wala kang pakialam sa purchase discount kasi wala pang babayaran. Entry to record a purchase yung tinatanong. Credit to purchases for 60,000, dapat yan ay debit. Okay? And then, debit to accounts payable for 58,800. Dapat credit pero for 60,000, mali ito. Ano? So, eto nga yung sagot mo, yung unang pagpipilian. Proceed tayo sa question number 6. Ang tanong, the entry to record a sale of merchandise for 15,000 with terms of 2/10 and over 30 will include debit to sales discount for 300, debit to sales for 15,000, debit to accounts receivable 15,000, or debit to cash 14,700. O, ang tanong is entry to record a sale. O, ang journal entry natin dyan, debit accounts receivable 15,000 and credit sales 15,000. Wala tayong pakialam sa discount, wala tayong pakialam sa cash kasi initial entry yan. Kaya ka may terms dyan kasi ibig sabihin utang muna. So, ano ang sagot dyan? Mali itong debit to sales kasi dapat credit yan. Ang answer natin is debit to accounts receivable 15,000. Next. Question number 7 naman tayo. The entry to record a sale of 7,500 with terms of 2/10 and over 30 would include debit to sales for 7,350, credit to sales for 7,500, credit to accounts receivable for 7,500, or debit to sales discount for 150 pesos. Ang tinatanong, entry to record a sale of 7,500. Okay? Ang journal entry natin dyan, debit accounts receivable, credit sales for 7,500. Kasi sales pa lang yan, ano? O, debit to sales, mali. Debit dapat credit. Mali pa yung amount. Credit to sales for 7,500. O, ito yung sagot, pero check lang natin. Credit to accounts receivable for 7,500, mali yung credit. Debit to sales discounts for 150, wala pang pakialam sa sales discount. So, ito yung ating sagot dyan. Now, proceed tayo for question number 8. A 5,000 purchase on account was made. Bumili ka, 5,000 purchase on account. Ikaw si buyer. The entry to record the payment on account after the expiration of the 2% discount period would include debit to accounts payable for 5,000, credit to cash for 9, credit to accounts payable for 9, or debit to purchase discount 100. Pag hindi mo yan nabayaran within the discount period, mawawala ng silbi yung discount. So, kung magkano yung invoice price, yun din yung babayaran mo. So, debit ka ng accounts payable, credit to cash. Wala nang purchase discount. So, ang sagot natin dito ay itong nasa unahan, debit to accounts payable for 5,000. Ito, mali na yung mga amounts, no? So, that is your answer. Oh, question number 9 naman tayo. The entry to record a payment on a 15,000 account within the 2% discount period would include debit to cash for 15,000, credit to purchase discounts for 300, credit to accounts payable for 15,000, or debit to accounts payable for 14,700. Ang tinatanong entry to record a payment within the discount period. So, meron ka dyang accounts payable na debit for 15,000. Meron ba yan dito sa selection? Ito sana 15,000 pero naka-credit, so mali na itong pangatlo. Meron ka dyang purchase discount na maa-avail, which is kinikredit natin. Kunin nga natin yon, 15,000 times 2%, you will get 300. So, dapat credit ka ng purchase discount for 300 pesos. So, makikita natin dito yung pangalawa, that is the answer. Pero, credit to cash for 14,700. Mali ito, mali din ito. Okay? So, ito nga yung sagot, yung pangalawa. Proceed tayo sa last question. Question number 10. The collection of a 5,000 pesos account beyond the discount period would result. O eto, collection naman. Hindi inavail ni customer yung sales discount. So, magkano ang babayaran? 5,000. Debit cash, credit accounts receivable. Alin yan dito? Debit to sales discount, mali na yan. Credit to cash, mali din kasi collection dapat may natanggap ka. Debit to cash for 49. Oh, wala nga tayong i-avail na discount ano kasi si customer hindi naman binayaran within. Ang term dito na beyond, ibig sabihin lagpas. So credit to accounts receivable for 5,000 pesos, that is your answer. And we'll have to submit the quiz to know our score. Okay? And so we get 10 out of 10 questions. And also, you will now have another 10 items to review it. So until the next time, I'll see you again. Bye-bye.